We're back in my parents' house, specifically the kitchen, because today we're gonna help my mom make her famous lemon poppy seed loaf and our homemade Chex Mix.
It's actually...
One more time. What did you say about the timber?
I think it's older than my brother.
Oh.
I don't remember where that...
So this is the largest sewing kit I've ever seen.
Yeah. I think it was a popcorn bin.
Popcorn.
Like
Oh,
the Boy
really?
Scouts popcorn, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's better to leave them in so then it fills up
Catches all
around
of
the
it.
edges, yep.
Makes it crusty.
And
The crusty bits are the best
big
part.
glaze, yep. Okay. Let's do this. Spread it all around. Those are perfect.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Your sleeve.
I have to wash it anyway when I'm done.
This one's still dry here.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
Alright, so this needs... Yeah, put the oil in.
yes, we put the oil in.
Yes, I remember. I was just thinking, just looking at this, thinking, oh, it's